Next in the series of body reconditioning program is Janu Chalan. Janu means knees in Sanskrit. Keep your feet together and move to the sides. Arms facing the sky as hands. Arms are little below your shoulder level. You are watching Janu Chalan. Breathing in, you will move your legs to the sides, head to the opposite. While breathing out, you will bring your knees and the head back to the center. Repeat it 10 to 15 times on each side. And you can be sure that your back pain will never ever bother you all your life. Cervical spondylitis patients can also benefit. And digestion can improve, overall circulation can improve. And if you are tired, just perform it and see the impact. Within a few minutes, you are relaxed and you are energized. If you have too much backache or sciatica, please don't do it on your own. Relaxation plays an important role in yoga. After each exercise, especially if you feel tired, you must perform one or the other kind of relaxation. The one being exhibited now is called fish relaxation. Bend your knees, place your hands on the chest, take a deep breath, and exhaling, drop your arms, legs, the feet apart, and the head to the side simultaneously. Repeat it 3 to 5 times and you will find yourself completely relaxed. Make sure your neck falls loosely. It's very important. Your neck must be dropped loosely to the sides each time you perform this relaxation technique. पहले वाला आपने देखा उसे जानु चालन कहते हैं. जानु माने घुटना, इसको कहते हैं विस्तृत पाद जानु चालन. Catch on with the Vistrit Pad Janu Chalan, which is almost similar except that your feet are kept apart. A minimum of 10 to 12 inches gap is maintained between your feet. That is more beneficial, particularly for those who have got sciatica or very stiff back and they want to get rid of back pain. So they can do this Vistrit Pad Janu Chalan only. And they should also not really force their knees on the ground on sides. They just go as far as they can comfortably. Do it 10 to 15 times on each side. You must relax by performing fish relaxation 2-3 times. उठा कर नहीं पटकना चाहिए, स्लाइड करते हुए जाना चाहिए और पांव खुलने चाहिए जब आपका ये शरीर को गिराते हैं. गर्दन को लेके नहीं जाना, ड्रॉप करना है. शवासनम तो चित्त विश्रांति कारकम. शवासन से चित्त को विश्रांति मिलती है और शरीर भी जो है थकावट से दूर होता है और शरीर तैयार होता है आगे के आसनों को करने के लिए. नाउ विल टेक वन लेग ओवर टू द अदर साइड. सुप्त हस्त पादांगुष्ठासन. ये भी बहुत वृहद जीवन तत्व है. ये इसको मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है जीवन तत्व साधनों में. इसका भी बहुत महत्व है. Supta Hasta Padangushthasana. Lie down on the back, keep your arms at shoulder level. Inhaling, you have to carry your right foot over to the left hand side while the head moves to the opposite direction. Exhaling, you will be coming back. Then vice versa. This is extremely useful for strengthening your spinal column and making your back, legs and hip joints very flexible. Start with only 5 times on each side every day. Add on 2 every day till you can remove all your extra flesh from your abdomen, waistline, hips and thighs. चलिए रिलैक्स करिए एक बार. जब भी थकावट महसूस करें रिलैक्स करें. ये गोल्डन रूल है योग का. हर वक्त कोई ना कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट है योग में. ये मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ. There is no hard and fast rule in yoga. You can always modify according to your needs. आपकी आवश्यकता अनुसार, रोग अनुसार, एज के अनुसार, अब आप इसके अलावा कुछ एक आसन है जो बैठ के करने वाले. सुख सुविधाएं इतनी हो गई हैं, हर चीज़ के लिए मशीनरी साइंटिस्टों ने ईजाद कर दी है. इंसान भी शायद आलसी है, इसलिए व्यायाम अपने काम के मार्फत नहीं करना चाहता, तो उसे व्यायाम की आवश्यकता है. तो ये आप जो देख रहे हैं इसको कहते हैं नाड़ी संचालन. Sit up and spread your legs as much as you can comfortably. Arms are moved in such a manner that the right hand touches the left toe and the left hand touches the right toe while the other arm is thrown back. Do it continuously. One side you breathe in, the other side you breathe out. Look at your toes only each time. This exercise is called Nadi Sanchalan. This is also coming under the body reconditioning program. So this also you can do 10 to 15 times to start with. If you are suffering from backache or sciatica or cervical spondylitis, please avoid this exercise.
थोड़ा रिलैक्स करके उसके बाद अब दोनों हाथों को घुटनों पे रख के do the shoulder movement. Skandha Chalan.
Now we are doing Skandha Chalan. Sit crossed legs normal way like in Sukhasana. Keep your hands on the knees and move your shoulders clockwise, anti-clockwise, one after the other. So if you do them, you can improve your flexibility of the shoulders as well as of the neck muscles. Besides improving flexibility of the neck as well as shoulders, this Skandha Chalan exercise is very useful to improve your digestion. You will be surprised that if you do it regularly, you can digest your food very well.
Again, cross your arms and relax your neck. श्वास भरते रहिए, छोड़ते रहिए. And warm up your hands and love yourself. ऊपर सिर करिए, सिर को ऊपर ले जाइए. Start from the forehead and bring it over to the neck. धीरे धीरे पूरा. ज़्यादा रगड़ा नहीं देना, जोर ज़बरदस्ती नहीं करना, दबाना नहीं है. आराम से, प्रेम भाव से अपने को प्यार दीजिए. बहुत सारी बीमारियां इसलिए भी हमें तंग करती हैं कि हमें कोई प्यार नहीं करता. इनफैक्ट इट इज़ ए वेरी बिग कंप्लेंट ऑफ ईच वन ऑफ अस. जब प्यार नहीं मिलता, बेवफाई मिलती है, तो ऐसे में बहुत सारे रोग स्वतः पनपने लगते हैं. और कोई प्यार दे ना दे, आप अपने आप को तो प्यार दे ही सकते हैं. इसीलिए मैंने ये इजाद किया है, इन्वेंट किया है, किसी और ने नहीं किया. इसको हल्का सा वार्म अप करते हैं और यूं सिर को ऊपर उठाते हैं और धीरे 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 इसको छूते हुए. नेक्स्ट, डू भुजंगासना and Shashankasana. Watch these demonstrators. Come forward, up, without bending your arms. Do not bend your arms. This is also very good for reconditioning your body. Before you get into classical asanas, perform this Bhujanga and Shashankasana combined. You will never get headaches. You will never get dizziness, you will never get backache, and your body will be much flexible. So this is very good. Do it 5 times. Breathe out as you Shashankasana and breathe in as you do Bhujangasana. Breathe in, up, out, down. Breathe in, up, out, down. This you can do 5 times. I think everybody can do.